E-way chill. Just love to drive Antonio, be on the E-way lift. Just hate going slow and I know this bitch can go fast. Hate arguing with my hoe, but I know that we is gon' last. I'm gon' flow, I'm gon' go, no brakes, all gas. It might not look like it, but this bitch gon' go right past. What Jimmy Neutron say I'm taking off, I got a blast. Accelerating hard, reminiscing on my past. To clear my head, I hop on the road and do my thing. I hit that spin button, now I'm just switching through lanes. I do this shit with ease, I calculate routes in my brain. I like to bounce. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. I know it's been a long time since the last video, but I finally took it to the shop, got my inspections and my estimates, and I got the paper. Hold on, right here. For starters, the battery, it wouldn't even turn on. I couldn't even, it stopped turning on. The S suspension, I'm gonna show y'all the con in a minute. The S suspension, I need it to be rewired. That's why it's not no parts and nothing like that. I need some 2 tires. They rebuild my tire pressure monitoring system for some of my tires. Let me see. I needed a lug nut and a stud for the back rear. I needed my radiator replaced. Cooling system flushed. I needed some more wiring. That's some more wiring they did for my wiring harness. The serpentine belt was cracked. I could show y'all that. And that's what they hit me for. The car itself came back a tad bit better than before I got into the accident. I'll tell y'all about the accident. I was in Chicago, going straight. Somebody turned from the left. They went straight from the left turning lane, went forward, turned their car to the right, and it was either hit their car like while I was going straight, or let them hit me, or it was go to where it's nothing. So it was nothing, but it was like a curve that sit like yay high, and y'all know the equal sit low because I took the front S suspension off. So let me go ahead and show y'all, man. I got it. It's back right a little bit. I still got this damage right here. It's okay though, I'm not really worried about it. I'm gonna get the front bumper. The front bumper. This right here, I remember I told y'all about that. I need to get this, so it's gonna be this whole side skirt since this broke off. And I need this fender. Go to the other side and show y'all real quick. This one seemed to be okay. It just like, it like need to be popped in, or it needs like some fresh clips. But other than that, I need this whole fender. So I'll probably just one side skirt, 2 fenders, and a bumper. But other than that, fix the wiring, fix the, I don't know if my front sisters work. I don't have no lights for those, but those was kind of bad. I don't know. Let me just show y'all real quick. I need a whole, I'm not gonna say I need a whole lot, but this is the problem I'm having. Huh? You see, my S suspension, I've knocked my ride height sensors off, so it won't go down. It's stuck up there, like it keep going up. They told me that my ride height sensor got knocked off, I guess. So now they told the computer to send the bags all the way to the air. I do not know why. I don't know why they would tell me, but I don't know why. But literally sitting is like as high as possible, like literally, like that is crazy. But yeah, man, I was just cleaning it out. It ain't nothing spectacular in here. The last owner, apparently all he did was tint the hell. Like, I mean, it's still pretty mint for me. It sounds pretty good and stuff. Y'all already know. I got a bunch of problems, like the radio. I never used the radio. the car completely dies when it turns off. It's all type of stuff, man. That's all type of stuff. Body wise though, in order for it to be back good, I just need that bumper, those fenders, that side skirt. I said I was gonna might just try to get these because I don't like how the owner wrapped these black, or he spray painted these black. And I need 2 hubcaps. So this hubcap and that hubcap. I need that because I had them, but they fell off. And people, they don't know how to take them off. So, you know, they know how to take them off. They rip them off and don't put them back on right and all type of stuff. But yeah, man, I need to get... I'm probably going to switch out and get Genesis. Do the same that I did from the front to the back so it could be leveled out. Because this, I was going to keep the bags, but I don't know. It's either that or get the ride height sensor. One of those two. I don't know yet. One of those, though. So either that is back. It's back for now. Probably not going to drive it that much, but I'm just going to get the stuff. I started. You know I got to start it up. You know I got to show y'all. I got to let you hear it. At first, you know, y'all know my dashboard had hella lights on it at first. They got it back down to the regular lights. Turn on sport real quick. It's not that bad, man. It'll get up. It definitely will. It's my baby, man. It's my baby, though. So, y'all stay tuned with me, man. Look, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how aggressive this kid is. Like, this bitch get loosey. All right, y'all, it's about 2 in the morning. About to go on a little drive for y'all. It's a little bouncy, but we gonna do what it do. Hopefully the booty's going down. I had it unplugged. I don't think it's going down. I don't know. Don't look like it. Go for a little drive. I'm gonna let it warm up. Then I'm gonna get back to it. Alright, y'all, let's go. When I tell y'all that it's very, very stiff, like, it's very stiff, man. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I'm in here bouncing like a school bus, man. Oh, shit. I wish I could show y'all, but I'm in here bouncing like it's crazy, man. Look, y'all see that shit. My headlights is tinted, so before y'all say, why you not got your headlights on? Headlights is on. I think, are they on? Yeah, they look on to me. Y'all can't tell. Good, man. Found my first corporate, y'all. Look like an M37 or a 45. It could be. You know. Let's see what he got. We got a little bit of gas. I don't think we got us one, man. He driving normal. Oh no, he's speeding up. He's speeding up. Look at him. Look at him. My traction on this bitch wanna get loose. It's a little unstable, y'all. Yeah, this it's a little unstable, but I know how to drive and drive this car. Y'all can see my headlights on a little bit if I lift my camera up. But my booty, the booty to this bitch being in the air does not help whatsoever. Like, it's not help at all. Cause, you know, if the booty in the air, then it points the front to the ground. So yeah, this one is, you know. All right, y'all. That was the clip I wanted to show y'all of this motherfucker, man. That's really it, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Y'all probably can't see me because it's dark, but y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe to this video on this channel, man. And wait for the next one. Love.